Small coincidences happen all the time, but it's very rare that they send a chill down your spine. Well, these are some of the scariest coincidences that seem to have been arranged by a higher power. These seemingly impossible situations have actually become reality and were caught on camera, and it may just change the way you see the world forever. I'm Charlie, today we're going to look at the scariest coincidences caught on camera. Before we get into it, why not subscribe and press the notification bell too? Coming up first is bank robber.